And if you are Igbo, if you already have an Igbo name, I can feature and talk about your name on this segment here, the Igbo name of the day. So if you haven't already, please hit that like button. Every like and comment goes a really long way. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Share this message with more people who might be interested in it. You know what I'm saying? So if you liked it, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, just tap it really lightly instead, right? So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. It might be the video that I make for you. Share this video with a friend. And yeah, feel free to let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what everyone has to say. Thanks a lot. Take care. And I will see you in the next video.